It's 20 minutes to 4, and we're all reserved. All of us people are reserved for a 5 o'clock show. Look at this. It goes all the way up to the front. Can you believe that? All those folks. I'm just going to walk through here. Look at the water tower. Look over at the windmill. Got ourselves some. This might be on the menu tonight, you never know. And look at all these folks. Just lined up. Over an hour early. Ain't that something? This place is huge. It picked up everybody out there in here. We've all got reserved seats and reserved tables. Coming up and over. Looking back around. My goodness. Ain't that something? I do not make a habit of videotaping or taking pictures of my food, but this is what they just put down in front of me. We got rolls, we got mashed potatoes, we got coleslaw, we got corn, we got something, I don't know what all, and 2 huge mango pieces of chicken. I sure hope I can take some of this home with me.
It's out there.